Do I want to do a voiceover? That was such a long time to be trying to think about it. I don't think I'm gonna do a voiceover. I'm gonna speed through stuff though, but I'm not gonna voice over. So today I'm doing a Bratz doll challenge. If you guys haven't been seeing them, it's like people do their makeup like Bratz dolls basically. Some people like to do it where they close their eyes and like those are the eyes. I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna make myself look like the Bratz doll as my normal self. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with the eyes, and I'm gonna put the picture on the screen so you can see what like I'm referencing. For the eyelids, I'm using, I went through my palettes and found the ones that would like make this look a look. So looks like for the, do I have it in here? Yeah. For the like outside of my eye, I'm going to be using Realness, this brown. And for the like not a cut crease but the middles of my eyelids, I'm going to be using a combination of, this is my BH palette called Take Me Back to Brazil. I'm going to be using this color and this color to give the iridescent look. This is Too Faced Life's a Festival. So that's what I'm going to be using for the eyes, and I'm about to do that now, so just watch and see. Don't mind my movie in the background. Alright, so I just did my eyebrows and set my eyelids with the NYX mineral powder, and I use the concealer, the Pro Concealer LA Girl Cool Tan, to cut my eyebrows. So now I'm gonna start. So that was Realness. Now I'm going to go in with the blue color and fill in here. But first I need to put my concealer and then I'll go in with that. So I just concealed my eyelids. I'm gonna go in with this, let me see the picture. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this blue right here. And yeah, and I'm gonna do it with my fingertip because that's like easier and it's more pigmented when you do it that way. So okay, so there's that. Now I'm going to, what else? I'm going to put my lashes on and my eyeliner. So that's the next step. Alright, so I'm finishing my I'm not finished with my eyes. I still have to. Sorry, that's Netflix in the background. But I'm not finished. I still have to make a little cat like eyeline thing right there. And now I'm about to serve some face. I'm about to set my face in the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. Then I'm going to go in with either Fenty or my Anastasia foundation stick. I'm not sure yet. I'll let you know after I put it on which one I do, but like I don't know which one to do. So now I finished my eyes and now I'm baking and getting this excess powder off. Okay, so now I'm going to put my lip gloss on and fix any like final touches that I didn't get on the screen. And then I'll be back with my final look. Okay, and lastly, I have this, which I thought it fit well because the Bratz doll's hair is like this color. So I'm just gonna do it like this because I'm about to go fix it up and then I'll be basically done with the look. Don't mind how stuffed this looks. I just wanted the color to like match with the picture. So this is the finished look, I guess. Makeup wise, I think I did a decent job. I like it. I don't think it's ugly. This hair, it just matches like the style kind of what was in the picture. And then this is just something. Literally looks so goofy. But here's the look. But yeah, like this video and subscribe to my channel if you liked it. Yeah, like this and subscribe. Thanks for watching. That's all I can think of, so bye.